welcome back to Roy's Workshop. Today we're doing irrigation. We're messing about with an IBC and Stephen's stuffing. We'll show you what we're doing in a moment when we get down to where the willow trees are. Exciting times. So now we're down in the fields. Stephen's getting set up and this is what we've got. These are our willow trees. We planted these, or Stephen planted these a couple of weeks ago, and now we've got to water them quite regularly because they prefer the wetter, moist ground. And we've already used one of the IBCs today. We've just filled it back up from our rainwater harvesting area, and now you can see where we're going down the bottom where there's a metal post right the way down there. We're now going to finish off and then we'll reset. We're setting up more because we like rainwater harvesting. We've got lots of areas because we do tend to use quite a lot of water for the animals and for the grounds. See our deer enclosure. Our deer haven't come up to see us yet. They may do in a little bit. But all this is an IBC on top of a frame that we've built with a gravity fed feed tube. That is a tube off a Hoover, but it works quite well with the water. So Stephen's he's going to come to a stop. He's going to open the valve, and then any time that he wants water, he's obviously going to dip the end of the hose below the water line and feed all the willow. Something like this. Lots of flow. In fact, I best jump in because we're going to move and not hit anything. Can't promise anything. Excuse me, doggets. There's dogs. Oh, my alarm's going off. So as we're moving on down, all we're doing is I'm driving down 2 sets so Stephen can do the whole swing. And I'll leave the mule. Still plenty of water sloshing around. Perfect job. And our trusty mule. Fantastic bit of kit. It goes anywhere as well. Schnauzer. Kipling. Good boy. Still no deer. So the rainwater that we're putting down now, we're not going to do it forever obviously. We're only going to do it for the first year, so everything gets really nice and into the ground and gets settled. Obviously we're putting quite a bit of money into this, so we want everything to thrive. So I think for the first year we will, certainly through the summer, be using this system quite regular. And like I said before in previous videos, we like to keep it simple, stupid. This, I don't think we can get it any more simpler. You can probably see in the background Stephen doing it up the side of the deer fence as well. But I think that'll do for this little video. As I say, it's only something small really. We're not terribly busy, but we're steady away. Just to keep you all up to date and show you what we're doing. Thanks for watching, stay safe, bye now.